Very good morning. Our group will present about shading and grounding. And our title of our project is Shading and Grounding of Radio Frequency Interface, RFI Effects on Simulation in Audio Interface. Okay. What and when shading and grounding happens? Shading and grounding happen anywhere and anytime. The first is building and houses, which is we can install the road for the grounding purpose. Second, lightning, which is it can happen when the installation fails. Third is audio, which is it can happen in the cable of the for audio purpose. And airplanes can be struck by the lightning because the shading purpose is less taken care. Okay, let me move to the EMI issues. Noise is always present to a certain degree when electrical components are ignition. It's become a concern when it interferes with a machine digital analogs or communication channels. There are three areas related to electrical noise, which is the source, the transmission and medium, and the receiver. And lastly, of the problem is motorbotting. Motorbotting is a type of low-frequency parasitic oscillation and unwanted cycling variation of the output voltage that sometimes occur in audio and radio equipment and often manifests itself as a sound similar to ideally motorboat engine in audio output from speaker or earphones. It's a problem encountered particularly in radio transceiver and of the vacuum tube audio system with the amplifier, PA system, and is caused by some type of unwanted feedback in the circuits.
For the solution and methodology, the first solution is to selecting the proper twisted pairs and all conductors in the table. Higher percentage of coverage means better EMI protections and lower radiation. The next is spiral shields. Have high flexibility and flexi life that braid shield made of bare or thin copper wire. For the performance, it has low frequencies, but the coverage is over 95%. For the foil shields, aluminum foil bonded to a polyester backing, which is there is a chop in the wire. Aluminum offers effective high frequency EMI protection of capacitively coupled noise. Copper foil used to reduce cover low frequency range. EMI filtering to reduce the noise. The function of EMI filtering is to reduce the interference generated by the device and by other devices that present near of the clear signal. For the future electronics of EMI modulation FPM. Amplitude modulation, which is we call as AM. As the name implies, this form of modulation involves modulating the amplitudes or intensity of the signals. Amplitude modulation was the first form of modulation to be used to broadcast sound and all the other forms of modulation. Differential of the other. However, phase modulation itself lends more data transmission, and as a result, it has grown rapidly over recent years. So for nowadays, phase modulation, the use is starting to increase. For the target market, we choose three companies, which is Roland, Yamaha Pro Audio, and Sony. For the first company, Roland Corporation is a leading manufacturer and distributor of electronic musical instruments, including keyboards and synthesizers, guitar products, electronic percussion. Is Sony. Sony Corporation is a Japanese multinational conglomerate corporation. It is diversified business including consumer and professional electronics, gaming, entertainment, and financial services. The company owns the largest music entertainment business in the world and is one of the leading manufacturers of electronic products for the consumers and professional markets, and a leading player in the film and television industry. Sony Corporation is the electronic business unit, and the parent company is the Sony Group, which is engaged with business through four operating components, which is electronics, motion pictures, music and financial services. Under Sony, we have variety of PA audio system that we can go through by their company.
So basically, here I would like to explain about the solution provider for those target market that we have mentioned just now. The first one is DigiKey Electronics, second one is Murata, and the third one is RAIN. DigiKey is one of the fastest growing distributor for electronics component in the world. It was founded in 1971 and they provide the best customer serving in design process from prototype to a production. They also provide the audio system electronics component. For example, audio product like buzzer, alarm, microphone, siren, and speakers. They also provide cable connector in audio system, wires, capacitor and filter, and also audio transformer. Their solution that they provide are according to the problems that have in market. The next one is Murata. Murata is also the global leader for design and manufacturing of electronics material. Things better, especially in audio system. And their marketplace is basically places like where DJ used to be, like performance, club, and recording studio. For commercial, they also provide things like installation for sound system and things associated with audio system. And conclusion, what we have found in this task, which is about grounding and shielding in audio, we can conclude that there is a really important for grounding and shielding